Have you ever noticed how some guys walk into a room and just pull attention? They're not the loudest. They're not even the best looking. But women are naturally drawn to them. That's not luck. That's not an accident. That's psychology. Today, we're breaking down 7 psychological triggers that make women feel attracted to a man, often without even realizing why. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these triggers are and how to use them in real life without acting fake. Let's get into the 7 hidden triggers behind female attraction, the ones nobody really talks about. These aren't pickup lines. These are deep psychological patterns wired into how women perceive men. Stick around till the end, because trigger number 5 is the one most guys completely ignore, and it's actually the most powerful one. The first trigger is confident silence. Most guys think the more they talk, the more impressive they sound, the more attraction they'll create. So they keep talking, filling every gap, cracking jokes, trying to prove themselves. But here's what actually happens: the ability to stay quiet, to be comfortable in silence without rushing to fill it, is far more attractive. Silence sends an unconscious signal that you don't need anyone's approval. And that sense of security is what real attraction is built on. Next time you're talking to someone, don't rush to fill every pause. Let a moment of silence sit there. That pause is power. The second trigger is the mystery gap. Most guys overshare. On the very first conversation, they lay out their entire life story, their plans, their feelings, everything, all at once. Here's the deeper truth: keeping a little mystery triggers curiosity, and curiosity is the fuel behind attraction. When someone knows everything about you right away, the explore part of their brain switches off. But when something stays unknown, that curiosity keeps pulling them back. This doesn't mean you play games or hide things. It just means don't reveal everything at once. Let yourself unfold in layers. The third trigger is eye contact depth. A lot of guys think holding eye contact too long feels creepy, so they avoid it, looking away, glancing around, seeming nervous. But steady, relaxed eye contact, without staring, actually builds trust and intensity at the same time. When you can calmly hold someone's gaze without nervously looking away, it signals that you're grounded and confident. The trick is, don't stare, don't make it intense on purpose. Just stay relaxed. Real confidence isn't forced. It's calm. The fourth trigger is voice tone control. Most people assume being loud and high energy is what makes you attractive. Talking fast, sounding excited. But here's the deeper truth. A low, slow, controlled tone signals calmness and control, and that subconsciously makes people feel safe around you. Talking fast or high-pitched actually signals anxiety, but when you slow your voice down, keep it a bit deeper and relaxed, it shows emotional stability. Next time you feel nervous, slow your speech down on purpose. Controlling your voice is controlling your emotions, and that's what real attraction responds to. The fifth trigger, and the one most guys completely overlook, is selective attention. Most guys think being available 24/7, replying instantly, and giving constant attention is a good thing, but it actually works against them. When attention is always available, it loses its value. Here's what's really happening. Selective attention, sometimes being busy, sometimes being fully present, creates perceived value. The human brain values scarcity. Anything that's always available naturally feels less special. This doesn't mean playing games or ignoring people on purpose. It just means protecting your time and priorities. When you're present, be fully present. When you're busy, actually be busy. The sixth trigger is physical presence. Most guys focus only on words. What to say, how to respond. But here's the deeper insight. Body language, posture, and a grounded presence say more than words ever could. How you stand, how you walk, how you enter a room without rushing. All of this communicates attraction without a single word. Shoulders back, relaxed movement, no rushing. This all signals that you're comfortable in your own skin. And people are naturally drawn to someone who feels at home in themselves. So think about it for a second. Maybe it's not looks, or money or status that women fall for. Maybe it's these unspoken signals that come from genuine confidence. The silence you're comfortable holding. The calmness you don't have to force. This isn't a surface level trick, it's a mindset. And a mindset can't be faked. It can only be built. And the final, most important trigger, emotional steadiness. Most guys think reacting fast, getting jealous quickly, or being emotional about everything shows passion. But the truth is, staying calm in any situation, whether it's a compliment or criticism, is one of the most attractive qualities a man can have. It's the ultimate signal of security. Someone who can control their emotions makes the other person feel safe in the relationship. So, those were the 7 psychological triggers every woman subconsciously notices, whether she says it out loud or not. If this gave you a new perspective, hit subscribe. We break down female psychology like this every single week, and I want to know, out of these 7, which trigger hit home the most for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, stay calm, stay confident.